In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate Messenger account on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger app on an iPhone or on an Android device. Then tap right here at these three lines, and then tap at Gear to head over to Settings. On Settings, we need to scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find Meta Account Center. We need to tap somewhere here or at that link down below to head over to the Account Center. Once the Account Center is opened, we need to tap Add Personal Details right here. Then Account Ownership and Control. After that, deactivation or deletion. That's where we need to choose our Facebook account, because our Facebook Messenger profile is a part of Facebook system. So in order to deactivate Facebook Messenger account, we need to deactivate our Facebook account itself. I'm going to choose my Facebook account, and on the next step we need to choose whether we would like to deactivate or delete our account. Deactivate account option is selected by default, so here I'm just going to tap at Continue, then Continue again. After that, it will ask you to enter your current Facebook password, and once you've done that and once you've entered your password here, tap at Continue. On the next step, it will ask you why you are leaving Facebook. I'm gonna tap at This is temporary, I'll be back. You can choose another option. Then you need to scroll down a bit and hit at Continue button. Scroll down, and now before tapping at Continue, if you don't want your account to activate after 7 days, which is by default, I recommend you to tap right here, and then we can choose a reactivation period of time for our account. We can select it from 1 day to 7 days, and if we drag it down a bit, we can easily find Don't Reactivate Automatically. If you don't want your account to activate automatically after a certain period of time, I recommend you to select that option and then hit at Done. After that, tap at Continue. Scroll down, and on that final step to eventually deactivate your account, tap right here at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.